Please wear the necessary equipment before cleaning your mills. This can include face mask, gloves, cleaning brush, or a cloth for general cleaning. We will now open up the settings menu in vPanel and navigate to the maintenance tab, then on to cleaning. First, we will turn on the vacuum. We will now start from top to bottom in terms of cleaning positions for the mill. Now we will clean the stock holder and the tool slots. This is a very important step before performing automatic correction. Here, we will use a brush to push any leftover material onto the rear air vent. Ensure that your spindle is not coated with any leftover material powder. Vacuum any leftover material on the traverse side of the mill. Wipe or vacuum the barcode labels on the stock holders. This will prevent any errors from appearing when vPanel is scanning the barcodes. It is highly recommended to clean your mill daily after milling operations are finished. And now we have a clean mill.